Welcome to Quick Math World. Today I solve 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega power 4 into 1 plus omega power 8 equal to 1. Omega is cube root of unity. Now solve. Taking left hand side 1 plus omega 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega power 4 1 plus omega power 8. 1 plus omega as it, 1 plus omega square as it, 1 plus omega power 4. We know that omega cube is equal to 1. Now power 4 split into omega power 3 into omega. And 1 plus omega power 8 split into omega 4 into omega power 4. 1 plus omega 1 plus omega square 1 plus omega power 3 is equal to 1. 1 into omega. 1 plus omega 4 can be split into omega power 3 and omega. Omega power 3 and omega. 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega. 1 omega is omega. 1 plus omega cube is 1 into omega. Omega cube is 1 into omega. 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega. 1 plus omega 1 is omega and omega 1 is omega. 1 plus omega and 1 plus omega can be written as 1 plus omega whole square into 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega into omega, omega square. 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square can be written as 1 plus omega square whole square. We can write 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega square whole square. Now multiplying these two factors, 1 omega is omega, 1 is 1, 1 omega square is omega square, 1 omega is omega, omega into omega square is omega cube and whole square. One plus omega square plus omega and omega cube is 1 whole square. And we know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. 1 omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. And put 1 plus omega square plus omega plus 1 whole square. 1 plus omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1 plus 1 whole square. 1 plus minus 1 and plus 1 whole square. 1 is cancelled, which is equal to 1 whole square is equal to 1. This is the right hand side. Don't subscribe to Quick Math World. Thanks for watching.